Residents are getting their first look at the devastation in the aftermath of the horrifying wildfires that swept through the once idyllic Maui.
The death toll has risen to 67, though many people remain unaccounted for on the island. Residents were allowed to view the damage today. Intense flames gutted thousands of cars, boats, businesses, and homes.
It was one of the worst natural disasters in Hawaii's history, a tragedy that will be played out over the coming months. KTLA 5's Sandra Mitchell joins us live in studio with today's developments. Hi, Sandy.
Court. Micah, authorities now say more than 1,000 people still reported missing, and an accurate count on the number of those killed could actually take more than a week. But finally, some families are being reunited, and we are hearing these incredible stories of survival. For many, the only escape from the raging wildfire in Lahaina was the ocean. Down sharp rocks and into the churning water.
The ocean almost swept my kids away a few times, but yeah, we stuck together, we held on, we're not going to die.
They endured hours in the waves as the fire raged all around.
We don't have any choice, so we have to jump in the water.
How long were you in the water for?
At least 5 hours to 6 hours.
Officials now say it's likely many victims were swept away, lost to the sea, or trapped in cars and buildings after wildfires erupted on the island of Maui this week.
When you're trapped between fires, other things come to your feelings, especially if you're not with your own family.
Search and rescue crews and supplies continue to arrive. Officials warn that the devastation in the historic town of Lahaina is overwhelming.
Lahaina town is hallowed sacred ground right now because our iwi are in that ground. We have to get them out. We will get them out as fast as we can, but I need your patience while we do this.
And many are shocked by what they see.
It's everywhere. Looking up the hillside, all the homes are gone, all the buildings are gutted.
The governor says the death toll will go much higher.
People are wondering about their friends, their loved ones.
Ellie Erickson created a social media spreadsheet for people to post information about the missing on Maui. Today, there are almost 4,000 names on the list. Green indicates they've been located. Red means they're still missing.
If they know somebody is safe, they can come on to here, and hopefully it just gives people peace of mind.
All right, so people now are being allowed to move around the island, but there is a curfew on Maui. It goes into effect at 10 o'clock their time tonight. There are still fires burning, and authorities say with all the destruction, it is just too dangerous for people to be out on the roads. Micah, Courtney, back to you.
It's just so tragic. Sandy, thank you so much.